Welcome everyone, Dr. Mandell here. This video is going to be very special to all of those people worldwide who have any kind of spinal involvement, particularly irritation on the nerves, muscle contraction, disc herniations, disc bulging, degenerative joint disease. This technique is going to be really interesting. All you're going to need is a medium-sized towel rolled up like a snake, and 2 pillows. And if you don't have 2, 1 may do. And what we're going to do is we're going to distract the spine, but not only the neck, but as well as the lower back, the entire spine. That we're going to allow the joints of our spine to pull apart, taking pressure off the nerves, putting mobility and motion in it, and restoring normal function. Now, these problems are most commonly seen with those who spend lots of time looking down on their smartphone with that forward head posture, as well as those people who are overweight. That excessive weight puts compression on that lower back, compressing on those discs, which can lead to disc herniations, bulging, and degeneration. And what about those who spend lots of time in a sitting position, sitting long hours on a chair working, or maybe just sitting on that sofa, spending hours and hours watching TV? Now, what I'm about to share with you, you're going to love. Why? You do it on your bed. It costs $0. It's extremely effective. It's safe, and we're using gravity. So there is nothing forceful that's going to hurt your spine. So let me show you the simple biomechanics of what you're going to be doing to your spine. By putting a pillow underneath the abdominal area, we're causing a flexion, particularly in the thoracic, which is the mid-back, and lower back, the lumbar spine. We're opening up the vertebrae between each other, taking pressure off the discs and those nerves. With the pelvic hanging off and the lower extremities hanging off the bed, that weight is going to decompress, pulling apart or distracting the lower lumbar area, taking more pressure off those nerve roots. Now, at the same time, when we're lying face down, we're going to take this rolled up snake towel, as we talked about earlier. It's going to go underneath the occiput. So as it goes underneath the occiput, we're going to be pulling outwards towards our head, forward, pulling the head forward as the lower spine is going downward. That way we're going to get a total decompression throughout the spine using gravity. Extremely safe and yet very effective. So let's make some positive changes. Take the edge of that pillow, which should be about a foot or so away from the edge of the bed. Put your knees up on the bed like this. Put the pillow underneath your abdominal, lower pelvic area, just like this. Let your feet hang off as much as possible. Do not allow your feet to touch the ground. Now we're going to grab the towel and put it behind our skull or occiput like this. Bring your chin down to your sternum, to your chest. And I want you to take your hands and pull outwards. Good. You should feel nice tugging and pulling underneath the back of the skull, along the neck and upper back. And you feel the lower back really stretching open. This is opening up the entire spine. Let those legs continue to dangle off the bed. Do not touch the floor. Go as low as you can to where those feet don't touch the floor, to where you get that good traction in that lower back. Really, really beautiful. Continue to pull outwards with your hands as you're stretching outwards on the neck, opening up those discs, taking pressure off the nerves, as we get that total beautiful stretch along the whole entire spine. If you had no problem stretching your lower back with one pillow, now you can put an additional one. You'll feel much more of a stretch. Let me show you. Other pillow goes on top. We're going to lean over the abdominal area, lower pelvic. And now I have more of a decline in my lower back. Those legs are dropping down much further. I feel much more of a stretch. Take the towel, put it behind the skull, elbows on the bed, pull outward. And now, what a tremendous change when it comes down to that lower back. Both of these stretches are very effective. But if you can use one pillow with no problem, try two and you'll get much more of a stretch because now we're going down with gravity much further down. Beautiful. And you'll hold each stretch up to a minute, and you can do several stretches as long as your body allows you to do so. So for all those people worldwide who are suffering with chronic neck, mid-back, and lower back problems, as well as sciatica, start doing this technique. Just a few minutes a day, and this can make great changes for your spine and health. Please share this video with your friends and family. Leave your comments below, and most important, make it a great day.